How to make retro effect in Photoshop. Click Fill and Adjustment layer, then click Solid Color. Choose a color. Add an image. Click Remove Background. Click Image, then click Adjustment. Choose Posterize. Levels 5%. Click Image, then click Adjustment. Choose Gradient Map. Make a gradient. Click Fill and Adjustment layer, then click Gradient. Choose a gradient. Angle 0%. Click Filter, then click Pixelate, then click Halftone. Max radius 10%. All channel 0%. Click Blend Mode. Choose Soft Light. Click Fill and Adjustment layer, Posterize. Click Color Lookup, then choose a LUT. Click Filter, click Add Noise. Amount 46.26%. Click Text. Write a text. Find a font. Choose a color. Adjust the size. Make a copies. Make it to group. Open layer style. Click stroke. Choose a color. Size 20%. Fill 0%. Select two group, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Adjust the size. Select all layers, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Add a retro film effect. Click Blend Mode, choose a Lighten. Select all layers, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Image is done.